Thanks for joining us here for Tri-County coverage. Hello, I'm Laura Bree. Monday. This is CN2 News. Lucas McFadden is off tonight. First up this Monday, putting an end to bullying. Nearly 200,000 students each day in our country skip school because of the fear of being bullied. That's why York School District 1 is saying enough is enough. CN2's Renee O'Neill joining students as they learn how to box out bullying.
Tanisha Buddha is a first grade teacher at Cotton Belt Elementary School in York. She says even though her students are young, bullying can still be present.
It can have a negative effect, obviously. They come in kind of sad, not wanting to come to school.
She, along with the entire school, teaching their students that their school is a bully-free zone.
They won't stay here forever, and they have to leave our class and our schools and go to intermediate school and middle school and high school. So we want them to be prepared how to handle bullying and how to treat others kindly.
York School District leaders bringing in the Box Out Bullying presentation. It's a national tour that brings a live act on stage, teaching students how to identify what bullying is and how to overcome it.
This is a very serious topic, but we like to make it a celebration.
Jeremy Rubenstein is the founder and creative director of Box Out Bullying. Before the program, he was in education and thought that more students needed to know about the impact of being a bully or being a victim.
I feel like the power of live theater is you're able to create empathy for what's going on stage. So you get to feel what the characters are feeling.
With signs up throughout the campus, Sue Hilton with York School District 1 says bullying is something that always needs to be talked about in order to put an end to it.
If you want to change school climate, it's not like an overnight change because you're changing people's habits, behaviors, things that they may have learned in other places and brought to school.
As for Tanisha, she says she will continue to raise awareness and box out bullying in her classroom. In York, Renee O'Neill, CN2 News.
York schools began putting anti-bullying rules in classrooms last year. Leaders say it is helping, but they add you can't stop talking about the issue. The Boxed Out Bullying presentation will visit other schools in York this week. Tuesday evening, there'll be a program raising awareness for parents at York Middle School. It's at the Little Theater. Starts at 6 if you're interested.